What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back with another video, and today my friends over at Anker have sent me another pair of earbuds. This time they've sent me the Soundcore Spirit Dots 2. You know what we gotta do, right? We gotta pop this box open. I'm gonna let you know how they sound. You're gonna let me know how the mic sounds. So yeah, let's do this. Let's get started. Get your popcorn, because it's gonna be a party. Blah! Here we go. Let's see what's on the box. So it says it's got Sweat Guard, Epic Bass. These are IPX7 sweatproof and waterproof rated. 10 minutes of charge time, gives you 1 hour of playback, and thank God, USB Type-C. On the back, you can see here, it says mini buds deliver thumping bass. I'm gonna be the judge of that. They got flexible ear wings for superior comfort and secure fit. So if you got a super active lifestyle, they're supposed to in your ears and stay put. You get 5.5 hours of playback time, a total of 16 hours with the case, charging them in between uses. And then they got some intuitive touch controls. So, it's time. It should be open. That was my magic trick. But it didn't work! So let's get started. These boxes just right open. It would be nice. They're always these like airtight, and then it's like boom, they're open, you know. All right, let's see here. Got the case. It's a little large right off the bat. I think these are designed, you know, for using them under extreme activities, you know, not to be carrying in your pocket. This you're gonna throw in your bag or in some sort of container while you're working out, biking, walking, whatever. So I'm gonna put these to the side real quick. Let's see what else is in this box here. We got some manuals, it looks like, get started guides. You know what I think about that stuff, right? You got your USB A to C, and then holy moly, look at all of those ear tips. Let's get it a little brighter because I want you guys to see what I see. Do you see that? It's got a size for everybody in there. All right, we're gonna find something. Let's get to the main course. I'll show you guys first. Oh, I gotta pull the tab. Oh, that's pretty cool. Check it out. I'm like, how do these open? Remind me kind of the Pamu slide. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's kind of, I could do this all day. Got a nice satisfying sound. What do you think? These look pretty cool. They look nice. A little hard to grip onto taking it out of the case. So here they are. They're kind of large. They're bigger in size than, say, the Google Pixel Buds. They're light though, they feel good. They feel solid, they feel premium in my hands, which is always a plus. Tight fit, whoa. So I can tell right away that these are going nowhere. They are in my ears. They're not gonna fall out. They are super secure. They have passive noise cancellation. Let's get these paired up right away. There's a nice satisfying magnet that is holding these in place. The other thing that I noticed is too, there is a rubber, and this thing is thick, cover over the USB port, and I guess that helps with its IP rating certification. Do I have to read the instructions? All right, you win. Quick start guide. Ah! Boom! Showed up on my phone. Let's see if there's any software that needs to be updated. All right guys, so we are paired up. Let's go ahead and listen to some tunes and see how they sound. I'm opening up the YouTube music app. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my personal playlist that I use for testing music. Let's crank them. Here comes that bass. Oh yeah. Mega bass. The highs, guys. These things are crisp. All right, the bass is super good. When they say epic bass on the box, they mean epic bass. Bass is solid. The highs are so crisp. I really enjoyed them. The mids are solid. The whole soundstage sounded amazing. I could hear everything super clear. Anker, you guys made some solid headphones right here. I wish this case was a little bit easier to put the headphones back in. It's kind of hard to tell which way they go, but you probably get used to it after some time. Speaking of time, you know what time it is, right? Mic test time. Let me close the blade before and there's a cool chime that turns on when you put these in your ears. It tells you the battery levels, which is pretty cool. I like to know. Gives you an idea of what kind of charge you got left. All right, guys, so this is the sound of my voice with the new Anker Soundcore Spirit Dot 2. How does my voice sound? This is the sound of my voice of the Anker Soundcore Spirit Dot 2s with ambient noise running in the background. How does my voice sound? Can you hear me crisp? Can you hear me clear? Let me know everything down in the comment below. All right, you can pick these up on Amazon. They're $79.99. I'm gonna put a link in the description if you'd like to check them out for yourself. That's all that I have for you today. If you like this video and I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.